Hello friend, this is Jimmy from Can Have an Immigration Canada. This video is regarding the new rules that has been announced by the government of Canada that they are easing the travel restriction for families, also for student visa holders and some of those compassionate travel ground. More family members and people traveling to Canada for the compassionate reason will soon be exempt from the travel restriction. This new rule will be allowed to enter you guys into Canada from October the 8th. Uh, Canada will be opening up their border to allow extended family members of Canadian and people crossing the border for the compassionate reasons to enter the Canada. Extended family members who will be able to come to Canada from next week. They are including the couples who have been exclusive dating relationship with a Canadian citizen or PR for at least 1 year and have spent the time in physical presence of their Canadian partner during their relationship, and children of Canadians who are over the age of 22 and are not considered as dependent children, grandchildren, siblings, including half and step siblings, and the grandparents. These people will not need to have an essential reason to come to Canada as long as they are staying for more than 15 days in quarantine and meeting existing eligibility and admissibility requirement. They have to provide IRCC with the required documentation, including a completed and signed statutory declaration to show they meet the definition of an extended family member. They have to travel with a valid passport, visa like visitor visa, study visa, electronic travel documentation or authorization (ETA). They also have to written authorization from IRCC to travel to Canada as an extended family. You have to send them the request first, then you will receive an approval. Only then you will be able to enter Canada. You should have to go to 14 days quarantine period as it has been said by the Health Ministry of Canada. Um, uh, about the compassionate reason for travel to be exempt for the restriction. Foreign national will also be able to cross Canada for compassionate reason, including being present during the final moments for a loved one, providing support to a critically ill relative or a person, caring for people who are required medical support. They must also like coming to attend the funeral or end life ceremony for their loved ones. Though mandatory quarantine rules are still in place, certain people will be able to get a limited release from isolation for compassionate reasons. Um, you guys can also check online or your consultant or lawyer how you can send your documents to travel. Again, there will be some more changes for the students and their families who will be allowed to enter Canada from the same date, October the 8th. Canada is also easing the travel restriction for the study permit family members and study permit holder and people entering on the compassionate ground, as I mentioned before. Uh, the only reason effective from October 20th, the only reason the international student enrolled at a Canadian designated learning institution will be able to enter Canada as long as their DLI has a COVID-19 readiness plan that they have vetted by the province or a territory that DLI is located in. Mostly DLIs are the university, colleges, and other education institutions approved by the government to welcome international students. Foreign national will be able to apply for enter for compassionate reasons. Such examples include traveling to Canada to attend the funeral, among various other reasons will be applied for the travel exemption on the compassionate ground. But again, your college or university must have a plan. Like if something goes wrong or there will be cases that going up, what will be their plan for the effective readiness, and do they have approval from the health ministry from the province or the federal one? If they have everything, then the students can enter into Canada. Eligible extended family include those who are in exclusive long-term relationship, dependent children, adult children, sibling, grandparents, like as I mentioned before. So there was a little update for the easing of travel restriction by the Canadian government for all of the candidates who are planning to enter into Canada, including student and the regular visitor visa holders. So for more update, I'll keep you guys updated if there'll be anything else comes up. Till then, you guys all have a good day. Thank you.